Bonjour! Welcome to the Languages Week, and in French we have something interesting for you. Come with me! Oui! Welcome to my kitchen. Bienvenue dans ma cuisine. And today we're going to prepare a very delicious French dish. It's called a quiche. Sounds interesting. French dish like quiche. Okay, so, and for ingredients we have du lait, pâte fouettée, du fromage, bacon, des œufs, poivre noir, la crème fraîche, du sel, de l'huile, des oignons. How do we prepare la quiche? La méthode. Let's see how. Et voila! 50 minutes later, and I believe our quiche is ready. Okay. Voila! So here is our quiche. It's ready, and I'm going to put it on the table. Our quiche is ready to serve. And my sous chef here, Monsieur Joseph,
Bonjour,
is going to taste and give me some feedback. Let's see.
c'est délicieux.
Merci, Monsieur Joseph. Enjoy the rest of the week.
Bonjour.
Merci. Au revoir et salut.